Good morning everyone. Today we will be doing exercise 8.2 question number 2 to 6. Okay, so the weight of one egg in the given egg tray is 35 gram. So this is the tray given here and we have to count how many eggs are there. One egg weight is 35 grams. What is the weight of all the eggs in the tray in kilogram? Firstly you have to find the weight of this tray in kilograms. Okay, so I will show you how to do it. Then we will find out the calculate the weight of eggs in 50 such trays in kilograms. So two times we have to do in kilograms. So now here weight of one egg is 35 grams, weight of 30 eggs one tray. Okay, if you can count, then there are 30 eggs, 1 2 3 4 5 6, then 6 1 2 3 4 5. So 6 multiplied by 5 is 30. So 30 eggs are there. So 35 will be multiplied by 30. 35 multiply 35 grams. 35 grams multiplied by 30. 0 5 the 0, 0 3 the 0, 3 5 the 15, 5 here 1 up, 3 3 the 9 plus 10, 1 10, then 0 plus 0, 0 plus 5 0, 0 and 1. So this is 1050 grams. You can write here 1050 grams, as we have to give the answer in kilogram. So I will write here, change it into kilograms. 1050 divided by 1000 kg, and then this 0 will be cut by this, and you can change it into decimals now. 1, this 0 will be replaced by 5, this 0 will be replaced by 0, and 1 will be 1.05 kg. So we have to give the answer in kilograms, because he said that what is the weight of all the eggs in the tray in kilograms, you have to tell. So that will be 1.05 kilograms. Okay, then here weight of 50 such trays. He is asking for, next question is calculate the weight of eggs in 50 such trays in kilograms. Okay, 50 such trays ka you have to find the weight. So here I have multiplied weight of 50 such trays. So 1050 is multiplied by 50 here. So after that I was not having space here, so that's why I've written here 1050 multiplied by 50. 0 will be multiplied by 0, 0 5 the 0, 0 0 the 0, 0 1 the 0, 5 0 the 0, cross sign, 5 0 the 0, 5 5 the 25, 5 here 2 up, 5 0 the 0 plus 2, 2, 5 1 the 5. So this 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 5 is 5, 0 plus 2 is 2 and 5. So the answer is 52500 grams. Then here I've written 52500 grams. Now weight in kilograms I'm changing. So 52500 kilograms will be divided by 1000. So this 20 will be cut by this 20. 5 upon 50, 525 upon weight 10 kg will be left. This 0 will be replaced by 5. This one will become point. So answer will be 52.5 kg. The second question, I have given you homework everyone. The capacity of bowl is 100 centiliters. So there is one bowl and the capacity of bowl is 100 centiliter. To fill a bottle, 3 such bowls of water required. So this one is just like this question only. So there are 3 such bowls required. So means one bottle will be filled by 300 centiliter. 100 will be multiplied by 3, so 300 centiliter. To fill the bucket, 15 bottles of water are required. So you need to fill the bucket and 15 bottles are required. So from calculate the capacity of buckets in liters. So you have to find the firstly you have to calculate the capacity of buckets in centiliters, then you can change it into liters. So 15 will be multiplied by 300 and then you will be able to get the answer in centiliters only, then you can change it into liters. So this one is homework for you people. I hope that you have understood this thing. 100 firstly multiplied by 3, so that will be 300, and then you have to multiply by 15, then you will get the answer. Now here fourth question is, Ayush goes to clothing store along with his family. His mother asks for 2 meter 53 centimeter of cloth for a dress. His father asks for 3 meter 50 centimeter of cloth for his suit, and Ayush buys 2.10 meter of cloth for a shirt. How much cloth in meters does the family buy? It's your wish that you want to change it into meter and centimeter. It's your wish that you want to change this in decimals. Okay, so here we have to find the total cloth the family is buying. So the first statement, firstly we have to tell what they have bought. Firstly we will tell them. So cloth needed for dress by Ayush mother is 2 meter 53 centimeter. If you will divide 53 with this 53 centimeter, so what you will get? Meter to centimeter is there na, so 53 centimeter, I will show you, 53 will be divided by 100, right? So 100 will be 0 and 3, so it will be 0.53, so that's why I have written 25.53. I hope that you people will be able to understand. Okay, then cloth needed for suit by Ayush father, that is 3 meter 50 centimeter. So again 50 will be divided by 100 and now your answer will be 3.50 meters. Now cloth needed for shirt by Ayush is 210 meter, already given decimal, no need to change it. So total cloth needed is 2.53 plus 3.50 plus 2.10 meters. So I have written like this. So here 3 plus 0 is 3, 5 plus 5 plus 1, 11, 1 here, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. So total cloth needed is 8.13 meters. Okay, he is asking the question he is asking that we have to tell the calculate the total cloth that they have bought. So I have told that 8.13 meter cloth they have bought. Then question number 5, Samir walks 1 kilometer 50 meters on every Sunday morning. So this is the distance covered by him on one Sunday morning. Calculate the distance in kilometer, you have to tell. He walks in March, considering there are 4 Sundays sorry in March. So 4 will be multiplied by this, you can simply multiply this and then you can change it into kilometers, or you can change this in first kilometer, then you can multiply by 4 and then you will get the answer, because you have to find the distance covered in 4 Sundays. One Sunday is given, distance covered in one Sunday is given, distance covered in 4 Sunday we have to find. Now the next question is gold artifacts unearthed from the archaeological site. Archaeological sites are those sites जो कि पुरानी sites होती हैं जिसको आप क्या कहते हैं गोल्ड की चीज़ें बनी हुई हैं और वहाँ से historical places होते हैं, जैसे क्या कहते हैं आपके लाल किला, रेड फोर्ट एंड ऑल दैट हो गया. इंक्लूड्स अ गोल्ड स्टैचू वेइंग 21 kg 50 ग्राम्स का है, 2 नेकलेस वेइंग 3.52 किलोग्राम ईच. इसमें ईच लिखा है, सो इस मीन्स 1 नेकलेस का वेट 3.520 kg है. 3 पेयर्स ऑफ इयरिंग गिवन है वेइंग 85 ग्राम्स. सो 3 पेयर ईच नहीं लिखा, तो इसका मतलब तीनों पेयर्स का वेट जो है 85 ग्राम्स ही है. हाउ हैवी इज़ द स्टैचू कंपेयर टू द 2 नेकलेस. तो 2 नेकलेस के कंपैरिजन में कितना हैवी है स्टैचू, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड. So firstly what you have to do is, firstly we have to write all the weight of all the things. Weight of gold statue is 21 kilogram 50 grams. Weight of one necklace is 3.520 kilogram, but we have been given 2 necklaces, so we will find out the weight of 2 necklaces. 2 multiply 3.520 kg, right? So here 2 multiply with 0 0, 2 to the 4, 2 5 the 10, 0 1, 2 3 the 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, so 7040, 7.040 kilogram is the answer. You can write this kg here and 040 you can write in grams also. Okay, weight of 3 pairs of earrings already given 85 grams, so we have to change, because these two is given in kilograms, so I have to change this in kilograms only. So here how you will do it, this 85 you will be divided by 1000 grams if you want to change to kilograms, so it will be 0.085. So statue weight, first question is what is this statue more weight than the 2 necklaces. So 14 kg 460. How you have found it? You will minus 21 kg 500 grams from 7 kg 040 grams from 21 kg 500 grams. So 0 minus 0 0, 10 minus 4 is 6, 4 minus 0 is 4 kg. Then 11 1 is already given to that, so it will be wait no, 11 is not given, 1 we have taken, so it will become 11. 11 minus 7 is 4, 1 0, thus 1 minus 0 is 1. So total weight of unearthed gold item, second question was total weight of unearthed item we have to find. So you will simply add 0 plus 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 4, 0 plus 4 is 12, 1 here, 5 plus 1 is 6 kg, 1 plus 7 is 8 2. सो 28 kg 625 ग्राम्स जो है टोटल वेट है जितना भी चीज़ें हमने फाइंड आउट किया है. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 एंड थर्ड इज़ योर होमवर्क. आई होप दैट यू पीपल विल बी एबल टू डू इट. बाय बाय स्टूडेंट्स.